Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and although this painting has some really nice things about it, it also bugs the heck out of me. So I'm going to put it aside, mix up some greens, and add foliage to the top and the bottom. But first we have to actually use a container and some Anita's White Metallic is a good base. I have always found it's inexpensive and it doesn't usually show up. I have some pastel green from Arteza that I'm not used to using much of, so I might as well use it. I have some neon green or some loud green. I don't know what green this is. It's a golden product. But it's not too dear to me, so I don't mind using some of it. I have some Egyptian coin because I'm almost out. Whoops. That'll just make cells. That's Floetrol risen to the top without me shaking. It's nothing to worry about. So that's substituting for some lighter yellow. This is my Decor American. Excuse me. This is my Folk Art Green Gold. And I actually have an Arteza. I'd like to look at them next to each other. I bet they're almost identical. Yeah, they're very, very similar. I like to put a little purple in with my greens. I have some emerald green that's a metallic from Deco Art. And an Arteza phthalo green that has a little bit of iridescent pearl fine from Golden in it. A little dioxazine purple, please come out. Oh, please. That was coming out earlier just fine. It's time to mix some more too. It's right down to the bottom of the bottle. Could just be the... Nope, it's plugged. Please come out. Thank you. I like it when things work out. Here's a little bit more of my emerald green that's color shifting from Folk Art. And I learned my lesson. I need more than less. I need to have too much to have enough, because I tried to do this without enough recently and I had to mix a second batch. So I'm just going to go back again and add a little bit of everything. And then I'm going to dribble it away. Maybe one more dose of the dioxazine purple. I don't think you need to take it too seriously. Yeah, I'm throwing a little pink diamond in there. And since I am learning to love this neon green, let's just do that again. I may need an edge catcher. So these are my flower heads. So I'm going to start up here. Grab a little spatula, grab a little shovel. Go around once and come back again. I may add some more blooms. That's what I was thinking. I might not even have to stretch this out, although I think I will anyway. Kind of want to just use the shovel. I'm quiet because I'm focused, and I'm doing it upside down, I just realized. Yeah, it's after happy hour. So I'm just going to take my shovel and put some stripes in by letting the paint rest after dipping it in. Just putting it down, pulling it sideways, and then up. Sideways and up. They don't have to be the same size. And they can blend into the background a little bit. Alright, so now it's time for me to do what I was going to do. I'm going to have to let everything go and see how far it travels. Which is an effort and patience exercise. Okay, so now I'm going to let it go down again, which I could probably help myself somewhat by just grabbing a little bit of paint with my spatula and moving it into a more appropriate location if it's decided to meander, which it will undoubtedly meander. Pull it all the way down. I will probably blow out a bloom in here at the very least. Sorry I'm not talking. I don't know what I would talk about. I really haven't I haven't done this a lot, but what I have done I do like the results of. And I know I need to get on with it. And I thought about this, and I could definitely use some chain, which I did not use the last time I did this, and it turned out nicely. There are some beautiful, beautiful cells I'm going to eradicate for sure. I'm glad I have more paint than I need. Let's go over here. Let's go the wrong way first. Let's grab my edge catcher. Turn it around so I can actually do something with it. Let it go down. Let it go back. I have a few things in my way. So I'm going to grab a piece of chain or two. And let these drips become foliage. I'm hope that this works out. I'm not ruining something. Excuse me. It's kind of cool to play. I can't wait to see what the blooms do. I definitely want some lighter pink. I've got some green left. I mean, I may have to do something else with it. I'm going to use, I'm going to use some white metallic. And if I can lay my hands on it, there's the hot orchid. But I have found that using the gold go away, bubble. So I'll just hit everything all at once. Then I'll change my colors up. Hot orchid, little purple flash, I think a little bit of the Venetian blue, oh, my orange is no longer open. But it was open a moment ago, so it probably won't be that hard to get. If I was willing to put the upholstery tacks let's just give it a shot. I may want more flowers and more color, but we'll see. If they become lighter, it's okay with me because everything was pretty dark. And I've got plenty of green left over if I need to lead my flowers down in. So far, so good. I'm thinking a few more up higher would be nice. Assuming I can get, thank you. I should have probably put the gold. I don't mind the drops. It's definitely time to mix paint tomorrow. I definitely think there's a very good chance that I'm going to use my residual greens and just keep going up from the top, going up to the top. And where's my black? I want to use the purple. So I do sell my artwork, and you can find the email address to contact me for, and please use the hashtag in the title of the video. Yeah, now I'm just hurrying. I think that needs something else, like to be right in the middle and time for a new straw. When I hit, please don't dump your bottles over. The cells do keep coming. Like I'd something or other. Okay, so all that's really left at this point is to decide if I'm done or not. And I think basically it comes down to deciding to use the colors Alright, so what did I not tell you? Probably pretty much nothing. You'll see it in another video, I'm pretty sure, if you look for it. And it definitely needs some zhuzhing up with the foliage. And if I wasn't satisfied, I could come back in tomorrow and do something with it. But in the meantime, I've got this pan of colors, which is going to work really well. To finish it off, I hope. So I love you guys. Check out my email address. Did I say? It's under the link tree. The link tree has got Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and all kinds of other links, like to the Gallerist, Clothing Made in Montreal, my new Society 6 store. I hope you're still here so I can show you this.